Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video. I always start it with that, but this one is really for reals, it's exciting. Fabfitfun gifted me some products and I'll tell you why in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I just want to say thank you to Fabfitfun for gifting me a box. They reached out to me about a month ago asking if they could use one of my videos for like future advertisement and just parts of our video. Naturally, I went ahead and said yes because hello, it's Fabfitfun, right? I mean, even if I could get like just a few seconds of my video out there, that would be very exciting. I didn't ask for anything in return except that I want to be notified. I want to see my 15 seconds of fame if there is one, if they ever use it. It's not even guaranteed, but really I'm just happy that they reach out because that makes me feel like they notice me, they see me. So right after I said yes, they responded back and said that they wanted to send me a gift, and I was like, what? I was so excited, and I didn't even find out about it, guys, that Fabfitfun contacted me until my girls, my girls always have my back, Vanessa Beauty and Jackie from Jackie Naturals, and they were like, hey, Fabfitfun contacted me, check your email, and in case they contacted you too. And all three of us got contacted, so we were, of course, screaming to the top of our lungs. So what me and my girls decided is that we would do a collaboration about our Fabfitfun goodies. Jackie, Vanessa, and I are giving away a Fabfitfun mystery box. Let me show you what I got from Fabfitfun. First item is the biggest item. This is the Unhide for Love Not Fur. I got this in one of my Fabfitfun box a few seasons ago, and I've been loving it. It's a nice throw. I wouldn't say it's like a big blanket. It's definitely a throw size. And I'm so excited because I got the rose color. It doesn't look like it now, but it's just like a very, very faded rose color. Almost like lavender, but on the description, it said that it's a rose color. But I know this is super soft. It's gonna be perfect for the winter. I'm so excited I got another one. First one already is amazing. Thank you, Fabfitfun. Next one is a skincare beautiful body cream. Okay, so of course I tried opening it already, right? Because I can't wait. I don't have any patience. This is a body cream. I'm not very picky with body creams and the brand and everything, so I've never heard of KO. Let me know if you've heard of this brand before. It's 6 ounces. It's huge, delivers daily rich all-day moisture and helps protect against environmental stressors. Beach-inspired vanilla and green tea scent. Let's see. Ooh, it's yellow. Yeah, it's like a greenish yellow. Okay, let's see, because my hands are starting to get super dry, especially at work. I have to hand wash all the time. If there was a banana scented lotion, this would be it. Feels moisturizing. I love that it is an antioxidant and it's supposed to last all day. And I'll try my best to put the pricing of these, if I can find them, on the screen right here. The next item is Fabulous Flocking Lashes, the Beauty Crop. I've heard of the Beauty Crop before, but I honestly don't own anything from them. So I don't own anything from the Beauty Crop. Oh my gosh, it's such a cute packaging. So this is a mascara with jojoba oil. It's a waterproof mascara and it's got argan oil as well. Look at that cute packaging. Super cute. I don't want to open it yet because I just opened 2 mascara, so I'm gonna hold off on this. But oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna use this. I already destroyed the box, so I'm keeping this. All right, next item is the Elemental Herbology Cell Nourish Radiance and Vitality Serum. Yes, okay, we need this vitality and radiance. You know, once winter hits, it's gonna be super duper drying on the skin. That's when I actually have a little bit of peeling on the skin. And look at the packaging. What does this remind me of? What does this remind you guys of? Comment it down below, because it's at the tip of my tongue. Oops, I got too much. Oh, I got too much. Did I say I'm keeping everything? Oh my gosh, it feels so smooth. It has no scent. It's just the kind of serum that I want. It feels so hydrating and cooling on the skin. I'm definitely keeping this. This is super pretty. The last thing, guys. So Fabfitfun sent me 5 items. Wow, that is so generous of them. Thank you, Fabfitfun. Thank you so much. A water bottle. Of course, right? This is Fabfitfun lifestyle. I love that they sent me a good variety of products. You've got the blanket, you've also got skincare, you have a water bottle for your fitness, I've got lashes, makeup. It has everything, the fab, the fit, the fun. I love it. And my daughter is already wanting this water bottle from me. I guess she can have it, I guess. Has a straw, it's a straw lid. Want to hear a funny story? When we were deciding what to put on this giveaway, Vanessa thought we were going to give away the items that we got from Fabfitfun. But the first thing Vanessa said was, "Not the water bottle." Don't give away the water bottle. I said, no, we're gonna get a totally separate mystery box. You know, we love our items, we love our products, and Vanessa is all about that. Her water bottles, her coffee cups, coffee mugs, and tumblers, like. But we're not giving this away. We're keeping ours. We're keeping our products from Fabfitfun. I think it has some kind of, for me at least, it has some kind of sentimental value, because wow, Fabfitfun noticed me and gifted me these items. Thank you so much, Fabfitfun. I am truly appreciative and thankful for this gift. It is so generous, and yeah, these types of things, doing a YouTube channel, it just makes it worthwhile. So I get excited and I'm so thankful for that. All right, so the giveaway, US residents only. All the rules are going to be in the description box below. So the rules are, you have to go and watch our videos, Vanessa Beauty, Jackie Naturals, and comment the secret word that they mention in their channel. Each of us has a different word. My secret word is going to be gift me. So it's going to be, again, it's gift me. So write that in the comments if you want to enter in this Fabfitfun mystery box. We're giving away a whole box, a whole Fabfitfun mystery box, but you have to go to all of our channels. Vanessa will be unboxing this mystery box in a future video, so definitely check that out. If you're curious, like, what's in it, what am I gonna win? This giveaway is to all our supporters, our subscribers, our loyal subscribers. Thank you so much. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. Without you watching our videos, we're so thankful. And all of the rules of this giveaway is going to be in the description box below, just in case I forget anything. But definitely don't forget the code words. So go to each and every one of our videos. We each have a different code word, and you gotta find it. All right, so that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. So definitely stick around, join the family. If you're coming from Jackie or Vanessa's channel, welcome. Please subscribe. There's always something to learn here on my channel. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.